Today I'm going to present stomata in leaves. The material we need is mango leaf, forceps, slide, cover slip, water and microscope. Let's get started. First we will take our mango leaf and tear it in half, just like that. As you can see, there is a thin peel on top of the leaf. Now we will take the thin peel of the leaf using forceps and put it on top of the slide. And now we will put few drops of water on top of the thin peel of the leaf. Now we will take our cover slip and put it on top of the slide, just like that. And now we will take our slide and put it on microscope. And now we will see stomata in leaves. We will adjust our lens to high power and we will adjust the coarse. This is the stomata in leaves. The tiny pores on the leaf is called stomata. This is stomata on the leaf. Thank you. Bye.